Welcome to Ha Noi. Hello, my wife. And we're gonna take a stroll now, and I'm gonna explain where I've been for so long. I think almost 16 days. But yeah, we are in Ha Noi right now, not in Da Nang, not in Thailand. I arrived yesterday, and the first day I can walk again. So I injured myself, like I said in some comments already. And what we're gonna do today is we're gonna walk to the Hoan Kiem Lake. Hoan Kiem Lake.
Yes.
Hoan Kiem, not Hoan Kiem. That's the street in Da Nang. Hoan Kiem Lake. I think there's also a very hipster coffee shop, which David would like. So maybe we're gonna go and have a cold brew here for my hipster wife. Old buildings here. Look at how empty the streets look. The temperature is immaculate. It is not too hot, it's not too cold. It is perfect. I was in Bangkok 2 days ago, or yesterday. Yesterday I came here. Oh, look at this, that looks also very pretty. Oh, it's a Starbucks. I think it's a Starbucks Reserve. Look at how beautiful the Starbucks looks. Yes, it's a Starbucks Reserve. Check this out, guys. Have you ever seen a Starbucks nice like? I mean, yes, I have, because they have a very beautiful Starbucks in Hoi An too. But it's the year of the horse, and in 2 days they're gonna be New Year, Vietnamese New Year, Tet, and we're gonna be here, of course. It's green. Let's go. Yeah, it's very nice. But I've been in Bangkok, and I feel like Bangkok was more polluted. Even though Ha Noi, on paper, is the most polluted city at the moment, or it was last week or so, it feels more polluted in Bangkok, because it's also the temperature in Bangkok. It was just like hot, humid, and polluted. And here it's cooler. Maybe that's the reason. I also don't feel that bad with the pollution at the moment. I think last year it was worse. But yeah, this is also, just imagine it would be the 22nd of December. It's right before Christmas and then New Year. This is how the feeling is. I see a lot of guys with flowers or trees on the back of their motorbikes, and everyone is decorating their houses, getting ready for the family visits. And yeah, we're also gonna spend a lot of time here with the family. And it's gonna be nice. But yeah, I'm very happy it's not that hot here at the moment. And yeah, look at this, there's a small tree. Some barber shops over here. We are south of the lake and south of the old quarters this time. I've been south of the lake one time, but not in this neighborhood. And actually, I am very happily pleased with the hotel. It's great. I am also gonna do a full hotel review on that on my main channel, so it will also come out after the trip. I think in 1 week or so. Yeah, it's weird to walk again. So what happened was I almost rolled my ankle, or broke my ankle almost, but I chose to just fall. And it was a very good call, because I only busted up my knee and had like an open wound. But the open wound only took 2.5 weeks to recover. Just like the exact time I did not upload. And I think a broken ankle is months of recovery, and a rolled ankle or tear string or something is few weeks or 6 weeks or so. I think it was a good call. Just falling. But yeah, this is also the danger here in Southeast Asia. I always say it. I always show you pavements on the streets But this time in Pattaya I was actually walking off-road in between streets. I walked, I don't know, 500 meters on a just random street, and I filmed it actually. I filmed everything, and that's why I also tripped, because I did not look in the front of my feet. That was the problem. And then I did a very bad thing, and I want you to do not the same thing I did, okay? Whenever you get injured in Asia, Southeast Asia, just go to the hospital right away. Don't say, hey, I don't want to go to the hospital, I don't know what it costs, or I don't want to. I mean, I don't like to go to hospitals in general, so I rather don't go. But after it got infected and like my leg was numb a little bit, I was like, damn, okay, I could go to the hospital. I went to a nice hospital in Thailand and I paid $100. And after that, I went to a smaller clinic close to the condo I stayed. So in the hospital, I paid, I think, €100, and in the clinic stays, so close to my condo was a small clinic, which you usually go if you have something like that. You don't go to the big hospitals, you just go to the smaller clinics. It's like, in Germany we call it Hausarzt, but they have something like this too in Thailand. It's just called clinic. It's not hospital, okay? Hospital, big, fancy, expensive. Clinic, small. I mean, there's also cheap hospitals, but you don't want to go in there. No service, this and that. But yeah, this is the coffee that we're gonna try out. Where's the coffee shop? Upstairs? Okay. So the clinic also charged me only like 500 baht the first time for everything, and then 300 baht. So I got a lot of different invoices, and I claimed it to my health insurance. And guess what? Finally, I found a health insurance that paid. Now I can officially say Genki is paying their claims. And not only in a way of it takes long time or it's complicated. No, it was not complicated at all. It took 2 hours for them to confirm and 24 hours to pay right away. Look at this. It looks pretty nice here. Hello.
Good morning.
Looks beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, come on. You can have a seat first.
Oh, okay.
Or you can order from here if you want.
Yep. We can also have a seat.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's exactly the coffee you like now, right? Let me guess, you want to have a cold brew?
With a different taste,
Oh.
like orange or strawberry or grape, plums.
All right, let's see. All right, guys, that was nice. I think it is good coffee. Oh, look at this, beautiful. I think I saw the same number plate on another Rolls Royce. What is 80? What is 80?
Special.
Yeah, and they have a NG in the middle in red. Maybe someone. Oh. Maybe it is imported.
It belongs to someone in the embassy.
You think? It's interesting. It's like, I think I saw the same guy in a Rolls Royce Jeep on the way from the airport to here. And now in the Phantom. The Phantom is so big. It almost looks like a Jeep, a Cullinan. Yeah, so it was 375,000 dong. I think this is this the most we spent for coffee in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. But you know what's very funny? Marcus and I had coffee in Thailand, just a random coffee, and it was the same. And it was not like a hipster place with beans from Peru, and the dude who, I'm not sure if it was the owner or the manager, But he was like telling us all about the beans and very fancy and bougie. And it tasted good. It was very soft, the taste. And they really loved what they're doing there. So yeah. I still don't think that's my type of tea or coffee. But if you're into coffee specialties or into beans and everything like that, try it out. It's still less than, I think it's like $6 per coffee, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, it's basically the same like a Starbucks in the West. But yeah, now we're approaching the Hoan Kiem Lake right in front of us. I think also there's the first McDonald's in the country over there, if I'm not wrong. We're in the south end, and also, as you can see here, lots of people gonna be at the lake and making photos for New Year. Look at this, it's a Leica. Oh, look at this, there's the Rolls Royce again. What is 80? It's so big.
Is that the same one?
Yeah,
No.
it's the same one, yeah. And there's a VinFast here, limo green. And look at this, a tuk-tuk. I haven't seen that often in Vietnam.
Stand there.
Oh,
The tuk-tuk in Vietnam, the tuk-tuk is only for veterans.
veterans. Oh, wow, okay.
Normal people cannot have it.
Okay.
Cannot drive it.
All right, that's interesting. So if you see a tuk-tuk, that's a veteran. Okay, let's go in front of the lake. Oh, look at this, Bon Moi Four Seasons. Now we know. Oh, are they gonna be like a fireworks? Okay. So this is Vietnamese New Year. And this is gonna be celebrated, of course, more than the Western New Year. Okay, how can we go here? Just want to go to the lake. And yeah. So if you travel to Asia and you get hurt, go to the doctor right away. Don't risk anything. It's cheap anyways, even though I have to say, I think Vietnam is more affordable than Thailand with the healthcare. If you go to a normal hospital, but it's still just a fraction of in the West. So, and of course get a health insurance. Someone was paying. Do not get safety wing, guys. No matter if your favorite influencer tells you to, it's not good because they did not pay. They did not pay my emergency surgery last year or 2 years ago. It wasn't that much because it was in Vietnam, so everything is fine. But still, they did not pay, and yeah, they're just acting up. Genki is paying, and there we have it. Europe, health insurance is better than American. But even though maybe you're from America, you probably will agree as well. Because as you know, American health insurances are worse than the mafia. This is the south end. We're gonna take a whole stroll around it. I'm gonna also film this, everything. They're gonna make so many photos. It's very nice. This is what we're gonna do now. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here and see you tomorrow again, every day.